Back to my YouTube channel. This is Empress Graphics. Now in today's video I will be teaching beginners. This video is mainly for beginners. This is a simple new month flyer, so I'll be teaching you guys how to create this. This is very simple to create as a beginner. Don't be in a hurry as a beginner to start creating professional designs. You need to know the basics first. When you get the basic, then other things will follow. So don't be in a hurry to start creating professional designs right now. Now we have to move on to our app. The app that I explained is Design Tools and how they function. So you click on your app, your Pixel app. This is what you have. So this is the text, but we are not going to be using it. We delete. Then you create your background. Go to your background, go to your color, then select white. So this is it. Then you move over to your image to bring in the handshake image. This is it. Then you can crop it. The remaining part is not really necessary. So this is it. Then you move over to your relative position to centralize it, to keep it at the middle. Go over to position, bring it down a little bit. Now, so you move over to the icon here at the extreme right side under the three dotted lines to see the layout of your designs, where every image or text, anything you bring on this design canvas, this is where they are laid. This is where you can see them. So you come here, click on the padlock icon here to lock it. The reason why we are locking it is when you lock it, you can't be able to move it again. You can't be able to shift the image or the text during your design. So it's locked. Then we'll go ahead to write at Empress Graphics. Okay, so this is it. We'll move over to our fonts. So we'll be using one of the fonts that came with Pixel app here. We'll be using one of the fonts, and the one I will choose Navis. Okay, is Navis that good? Yeah, let's look for another font. Comforter. Okay, let's use Comforter regular. Okay, so this is what we have here. And you reduce using the text size, that is the size, the two T's. Click on it, then reduce it so you can see it. You adjust. Okay, let's leave it at 22. Then you centralize, then bring it down a little bit. One thing about design, when you are designing, you need to make sure everything is in alignment. It gives your design a unique look, even if you did not put too much image, but make sure everything is aligned. So let's go ahead. We'll bring in another text and write welcome to. That's the first. Welcome to. Then we'll go over which text. Okay, days, the font days. This is what we are going to make use of. So you can see it now. Increase it a little bit. 50. We are using 50. Then centralize it. So this is it. Okay, then change the color. We'll be using the color, the sky blue color or sea green color. I don't know which color is that. And on that hand, that's what we'll be using. So we'll look for it here. For it in our color panel. Okay, this is it. This is it. So, but in a case where you can't find the color at the color panel, you've run through, you didn't see your desired color you want at the color panel, what you do, click on the plus sign, click on the color picker icon, the color picker icon, which is this. So you click on it, go to the image that has the color you are looking for, and then zoom in to get the desired color. Then you select. So you can see we have two colors here. So you select the brighter one, click on good, then click on OK. So you've seen it now. That's in case, so the color appears here. See the color that was just created, that was selected. Look at it here. Moving on, we've centralized it. Okay, then you can see that looking at the text and the background, it seems they are competing with each other, so one needs to be highlighted. So what you will do is go to shadow, enable it, then reduce your blur radius, reduce it, let's use 2, then go to offset Y and bring the radius down. So you can see it's no more competing with the white background, it's now highlighted. Okay, I don't know if this color, I prefer this one. Okay, so the next thing is to bring on another text. So you click on the first text, copy it, because you don't want to start editing, going through the changing of color and all the rest, adding of shadow again. So you click on the already made one and copy, then you edit the text to, okay, the month of, welcome to the month of, then you bring it down. So definitely you need to centralize, make it to be at the center. Yes, then increase the font to 55. Let's use 55. So this is what we have. Click on it, copy, month of January, click OK, bring it down, then make it bigger than the both of them. So like I said, you can either use this size icon, or you come here, drag it down, drag it up. So there are two ways you can do that. Drag it up. So centralize month of January, take it up a little bit to be quite closer. Okay, so we have welcome to the month of January. Then next thing we need to do is to introduce the shape. So you click on the pentagon tool, the pentagon icon at the middle, click on it, you see these options, click on shapes, go to your shapes, then the box there at the top, click on it. So you see the shapes that Pixellab has. So we are going to choose the circle shape, click OK, then centralize the shape, let the circle be centralized, use the first one and the second one at the middle, then click OK, you copy it. Okay, so we've copied it. You see the two circles are white, but I need one to have a different color, so I will go click the first one the first shape that I brought in, go to color, the color tool there that looks like a paintbrush, click on it, enable the color. You see the color have changed, so we'll choose the color, click OK. So I've changed the color. Then the second circle, I will reduce it a bit. So it's either you reduce it like this, or you go to your relative size, increase and decrease. So the size, let's use, okay, 43. Let's check, centralize it, first one and the second one. Okay, let me reduce it a little bit, 42, centralize. Okay, this is what we have here. Then the next thing we are going to do is to merge it, join the both of them together for them to become one shape. So you come here, go to the down part, this icon here, click on this icon here, click on it, select the two shapes you want to be merged together. So select the first one, select the second one, then click on this place. After the first, the delete button, the second one, the third one is merge. So you click on it, then select them. When you select your shapes, click on merge to give you this information, confirmation. Are you sure you want to merge the selected object? You click on OK. So you can see it now. The two shapes are now one. So you go back, then you reduce it a little, go back, just a little bit, and set it here. Okay, click on it. For you not to waste time in creating another one, copy, then bring it down here. This is what we have. So the next thing, I want to move welcome to the month of January together up. Let me just take it up a little bit. So I'll come here, select welcome to the month of January, then click on the button below, select January, welcome to the month of January, click on the tool here. So when you click on it, you will see different icons appears. This is, you have the rotate icon, relative position, relative, the size, move, and visible and invisible. So we choose move. So it appears the three text. Welcome to the month of January. You can be able to move it up or down. So we are going to take it up a little bit. Okay, so we'll lock the ones we have already. Next thing is to bring in the shape. Click on the shape tool. So square is already there. Then we are going to resize the square. Okay, come down here. Let's use the color here. So that's the first one. So this is the color we are making use of. Now we are going to increase the radius. So we are going to increase it. Let's leave it as 6. Okay, so you bring it down, make it to be little, size it, then go to your relative size, relative position, centralize. Okay, so we have something like this. You click on Empress Graph because it's locked. When you click on it, it won't be highlighted. So you come here, click on it, it's highlighted already. So no need of unlocking it, you copy. So write 01, that is 1st January 2025. Okay, so this is what we have. Now for it to be faster for me for movement, if I don't move it like this, for it to be faster, I can come to relative position. Central is already at the center, then bring it down. So it will be easier to move. Then I'll take it up a little bit to size the shape. So this is it. This is what we have here. And voila! So this is so I don't know if this is a little too big. Okay, let's reduce it a little. 72. Okay, centralize. Okay, and this is it. Check the description of this on this video. Click on my Google Drive link and download the image. Then you can go ahead and create your design. So I want to remind you once again to like my video if you love what I did as a beginner. You can also share to those that are willing to venture into this graphic design world but don't know how to, just with your smartphone. It's achievable. It's achievable. So thank you and watch out for my next video. This is a simple new month design you can create on your own. So for you to get the resources, that is the shaking hand image, check this video. You will see the link to my Google Drive. You can click on it, go to my Google Drive and download free.